823 or 24 is running now. Buy now in IndusInd Bank. Target is the 829 something. First target is 829. I will just put it over here, the target. Let's put the target now. It's going on good now. Now it's 826. Now it's 826. 826. 27. It's 27. It's 27. 26, 27 is going on now. You're running on profit now. You're running on profit. 28 to 29, you should book profit from the first target. Second target is 34. I will let you know the second target is at 30, 32 something. Now nearby target is coming on now. Nearby target is coming now. 828. 828 is going on now. 828 is going on now. Profit is going on now. I was given the buy around 23, 24 something. 26 is going on. इसने जो हाई बनाया, हाई is you will see the high is 28 something high बनाया. 29 का target. Nearby target is coming now. Target is completed. Almost target is completed. Almost target is completed. Almost target is completed. Almost target is completed. 28.7, 28.7 profit book कर सकता है यहाँ पे. 4 to 5 points profit you should book over here. Now target is completed. First target which I was given, target is done now. Target I was given, target is done now. 28.75 I was given the target, that is 29, that is clear the target. आप सभी यहाँ प्रॉफिट बुक करके निकल सकते हैं. लेट मी नो व्हाट प्रॉफिट यू डन सर. क्या प्रॉफिट आपने बनाया सर? Now it's running on 829. It's running on 829. It's going on good now. 829.5. It's still going on now. First target is done. First target is done. Going on good now. First target is done. First target is done. 831 is going on now. 831 is going on now. 831 is going on now. $831 is going on now. Okay, already Ashish Saxena, I already booked profit. Very good, sir. Very good.
Yeah.
Now it's 833. Nearby second target I was told you 32, 33. That is target is completed. Target is completed now. Target is completed. It's boom now. Second target almost completed. It's going on good. Nearby हाइस ने बना 33 समथिंग का. 34 टारगेट जो मैंने दिया वो ऑलरेडी कंप्लीटेड हो चुका है. इट्स गोइंग ऑन गुड नाउ. एनीवन टेल मी द प्रॉफिट. क्या प्रॉफिट आपने बनाया सर? Now it's 35. Second target is completed. Now it's 35. Second target is completed. Second target is completed now. Second target is completed. Second target is completed. क्या प्रॉफिट बनाया सर आप सभी ने? कैन लेट मी नो प्रॉफिट आपने क्या बनाया यहाँ पे? 38 नाउ. It's going on good now. It's going on good. Now it's going on good now. Now it's going good now. I'm just going to explore over here again. We will see now. ये इंडसइंड बैंक हमने कॉल कहाँ से पिक किया? यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं इंडसइंड बैंक. कैश भी स्ट्रॉन्ग बैंक में और फ्यूचर भी स्ट्रॉन्ग बैंक में. दैट्स व्हाई वी वर्क ऑन इंडसइंड बैंक. इट्स क्लियर. फर्स्ट, सेकंड एंड थर्ड टारगेट वाज डन. That is the third target is done. Given a good profit today. Today I have done around 12,000 something. I booked profit right now. What you have done the profit sir? क्या profit आपने बनाया यहाँ पे? व्हाट यू डन द प्रॉफिट सर, क्या प्रॉफिट बनाया आपने यहाँ पे? बहुत बढ़िया सर, बहुत बढ़िया। Today I'm giving only one call. There is a IndusInd Bank that's clear the first, second and third target. Almost जो मैंने बाइंग आप लोगों को करवाया था, आई विल लेट यू नो, जो मैंने बाइंग करवाया था अराउंड 823-24 पे, ठीक है, जो कि राइट नाउ रनिंग ऑन 843, अराउंड 2343, मतलब आप समझ लो कि करीबन 20 पॉइंट समथिंग का प्रॉफिट। अगर आपने 500 क्वांटिटी भी लिया होगा तो अच्छा प्रॉफिट आपका बना होगा। बहुत बढ़िया सर। So now I'm going to close this session.